So what should we do? First of all, 2x plus 4 upon x minus 1 minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, everyone? Then take the
Yes, sir.
it is x minus 1 numerator 2x plus 4 minus 5 into x minus 1 is less than equal to 0. It implies LCM is again, denominator is again x minus 1. Numerator 2x plus 4 minus 5x plus 5 is less than equal to 0. It implies 2x minus 5x minus 3x. 4 plus 5, 9 upon x minus 1 is less than equal to 0. It implies, now if we take minus 3 common, x minus 3 over x minus 1 is less than equal to 0. So what will be the next step? When we divide both sides by minus 3, it is x minus 3 over x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Is that clear to you? Inequality is reversed when we multiply it by a negative number. So we have multiplied by minus 1 by 3. So in place of less than, it becomes greater than. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The next step to multiply by
X minus 1 whole
X
square.
minus 1
whole square.
whole square.
Okay. That's why your answer is wrong, as you have multiplied with only x minus 1. We cannot multiply by x minus 1 as we are not knowing that whether x minus 1 is positive or negative. But x minus 1 whole square is always positive, as a square of a number is always a positive number. Is that clear to you? So it implies one of the x minus 1 will be cancelled out. X minus 3 into x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. Now mark them on a number line 1, 3. Okay. And check whether it is positive or negative in the given interval. So first is 1 and take a number less than 1. It is 0. Check for 0. 0 minus 3. Minus 3. 0 minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 is positive. Is that clear to you? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now always remember a rule. Whenever there are two factors, okay? Are you getting what I am telling to you? Whenever there are two factors, x minus 3 into x minus 1, so always it starts with plus, okay? It starts with what? Plus. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then after plus there will be minus. Then after minus there will be plus. Means alternate plus minus plus will be there. Whenever we solve an inequality of two factors, it starts with plus and then alternate plus minus plus. So we have not to check again and again. We will directly write the answer as it must be greater than or equal to 0. Means answer is when x is less than equal to 1. Okay. Solution is when x is less than equal to 1 and when x is greater than equal to 3. This time equality must also be included as it is in the question also. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this is the answer of this question. So look at this. First we will transfer this 6 to left hand side. So 4x by 3 over 2x minus 5 is less than minus 6 is less than 0. Okay. Then take the LCM. It is 2x minus 5. Numerator is 4x plus 3 minus 6 into 2x minus 5 is less than 0. It implies when we take the LCM, sorry, when we open this bracket, 4x plus 3 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 5 6 are 30 is less than 0. It implies 4x minus 12x minus 8x plus 33 upon 2x minus 5 is less than 0. This x term must be the first term. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So how will you make it the first term? First take minus common from this. So what will be the term inside the bracket?
8x minus 33.
8x minus 33 over 2x minus 5 is less than 0. Is that clear to you? Now what will be the next line? Tell the next line. What will be the next line?
So will we simply keep it equal to 8x minus 33 equals to
Why
0?
equal to? Why equal to is never used in inequality. Look at this. Where is equal to? An equality of less than or greater than remains the same. In previous question, look at this step. We have taken minus common from this. And when we multiply by minus, both side inequality is reverse. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the next step in this? Tell the next step by. When we multiply by minus, what happens to the inequality?
Sign will be reversed.
So what will
Sign
be
will be reversed.
line? Tell the next line only.
8x minus 33 upon 2x minus 5 is greater than 0.
Okay. And next step.
Then the solution set will be
No, not solution
33.
set. Multiply by what?
2x minus 5 whole
2x
square.
minus 5 whole square.
Square of the denominator. Okay. So what
Yes,
is
sir.
the result then? 8x minus 33 upon 2x minus 5 into 2x minus.
2x minus 5 whole square.
So what will be the next line?
8x minus 33 into 2x minus 5
Is
greater than 0.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Terms of x must be first. And what you have written, check it.
Yes, sir.
What are the two zeros? If we use 8x equals 33, this is the rough work only. X equals to 33 by 8 is one of the zero.
By 8.
And next is
Yes,
4
sir.
by 2. So which one is greater? If you check at this, 8 4 are 32. Approximate value will be sufficient to check that 33 by 8 is greater than 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is smaller. 33 by 8 is greater. Now I have told you that it always starts with plus, then minus, then again it is plus. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the result then? as we have to find greater than 0. In your solution, check it. You have written it as less than 0, which is not correct. This is less than 0 as you have not taken minus common from this. Is that clear to you? In this line, you have
Yes, sir.
minus common so that, okay.
Yes, sir.
So the solution set for x. So what is the solution set for x?
X will be greater than
Huh?
X will be greater than
What?
X will be greater than 5 by 2 and less than 33 by
This is
8.
greater than 5 by 2. X 5 से greater है, 5 से तो कम वाला एरिया है.
So sorry, less है. Sorry, sir.
So
Sorry, sir.
x is
Greater than 33 by 8 and less than 5 by 2.
first write less than what? X is less than 5 by 2, strictly less than, and x is greater than 33 by 8. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. Understood, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now solve the two parts of question G. And you have to solve the question number Q and R also. Okay? O. And repeat these questions again, revise them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, which I have discussed in class. Okay? First, you have to revise these questions first of all.